Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about 11 high-paying jobs for English majors here in the Philippines. Number 11, localization specialist with a salary range of 25,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. As localization specialists adapt content to different languages and cultural contexts for international audiences. Number 10, instructional designer. A salary range would be 25,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. Instructional designers create educational materials and courses, often combining written content with multimedia elements. Number 9, content strategist. A content strategist can earn 25,000 to 60,000 pesos plus per month. Content strategists plan and execute content campaigns, ensuring alignment with brand goals and audience preferences. Number 8 would be editorial manager with a salary range of 25,000 to 60,000 pesos plus per month. These editorial managers oversee the editorial process for publications, ensuring quality, accuracy, and style. Number 7 would be language trainer or tutor for ESL. So, salary range should be 20,000 to 50,000 pesos or more per month. These English majors can teach English as a second language or ESL to non-native speakers. So, either online or in traditional classroom settings. Number 6 would be corporate communications specialist with a salary range of 25,000 to 60,000 pesos plus per month. These corporate communication specialists handle internal and external communication for businesses maintaining a positive public image. Number 5 would be social media manager with a salary range of 25,000 to 60,000 pesos plus per month. These social media managers create, curate, and manage content on social media platforms to engage audiences and promote brands. Number 4 would be PR or public relations specialists. Salary range would be 25,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. These PR specialists manage an organization's communication with the public, media, and stakeholders. Number 3 would be copywriter for advertising or marketing. Salary range would be 25,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. These copywriters craft persuasive and engaging content for advertisements, marketing campaigns, and promotional materials. Number 2, technical writer. Salary range of 25,000 to 60,000 pesos per month. Technical writers create user manuals, guides, and documentation for products and services in various industries. Number 1 would be content manager or strategist with a salary range of 30,000 to 70,000 pesos plus per month. Content managers oversee content creation, strategy, distribution for websites, social media, and other platforms. So if you want to know more about high-paying jobs here in the Philippines, please check out my other videos. Once again, I'm Engineer Morgan Sa, your coach ng Bayan.